Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today's Sunday. I woke up a few hours ago and I was like, let me watch one episode of Handmaid's Tale, and then I started doing my house chores. I ended up watching all the episodes. It's currently 1 p.m. and I have so much to do in the house. I don't know if I'll be able to get everything done by the time it gets dark, but we'll see. So I need to do laundry. I need to clean the dishes, to dust off the couch, clean my carpet, go grocery shopping, come back and clean my fridge, meal prep. What else? I also need to paint my bathroom. Yeah, so that's what I've planned for the day. If I get time, I'll wash my hair, but if not, it has to wait until tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll start with the bathroom because I feel like that's the easiest task. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm about to paint my bathroom. As you can see, it has this weird yellow paint that I absolutely hate. I don't know why landlords prefer this color as compared to white or cream. I don't know why, like most houses in my area have this paint color. But yeah, so I'll be painting this bathroom and I'm not really sure if I'll be vlogging it because I can't find a place to position my tripod. Yeah, but I'll show you guys after I'm done painting. So the reason why I'm painting it is because I have some leftover paint from last week. Yeah guys, so let me get into painting. I'll catch you guys in a short while. Alright guys, so this is after the first coat and I'm beginning to get worried because I feel like this paint is not enough for these walls. But yeah, we just have to wait and see. So as you can see, I was very sparse with the first coat. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the first coat to dry. Alright guys, so this is after the second coat. As you can see, it's not perfect because I ran out of paint, but this will do. Yeah, so that's it for my bathroom, nothing much. guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been a long afternoon cleaning the house. I know I said I was gonna go out and buy groceries and meal prep, but that's not possible because it's raining outside and also I'm very tired. So I want to take a quick shower and then fix myself something to eat. Yeah, so this is it for this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, please make sure you subscribe and you turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, so it's until next time, guys. Bye.